considering the power shortage of the country, we should always try to tap the solar power because it is not only cheap, also it is clean power. Hence I decided to go for rooftop solar system. First of all, I inquired with many companies. Finally, I went for the Solarite India. The company called Solarite India Private Limited is the distributor for Odisha for Bikram Solar System Kolkata. Those people are very nice people. They came with their tools and kits. They are fitted with panels. They have two types of panels. One is poly, the other is mono. Mono is a bit costlier, but it lasts longer and produces more power than expected. Hence, I went for the mono system. For the time being, it is 3 kilowatt, but it is expandable to 4 to 5 kilowatt. Hence, in future, I can also expand the power production. Today, they have done the final work, and their wiring is so neat and clean, so beautiful to look at. One will be naturally impressed to do the work through them. They are very nice people, and they have all expertise with them. Further, but the structure they have provided is not made in India, it is made in Switzerland. It suits our system and it is very nice to look at. When I decided to go for rooftop solar system, I went to see one person's roof where that system has been erected, but that is a structure system. Whereas the system that I have gone for is a rooftop fixation. It is not at all mounted over anything, it is simply there and it is only placed over the wall, over the roof, and it is so beautiful to look at that you can move through it and also you can clean it regularly without any problem. But once you go for the structure system of 5 feet, 6 feet or 8 feet, it will be very difficult to clean the panels which is required occasionally or regularly it may be required. It is already told by me that solar system produces clean energy and it is also cheaper. We are simply harnessing the power which is regularly wasted. So we collect energy from the sun, and hence I request all the people who are capable of going for such a project, they should go for rooftop solar system and help government indirectly, so also the society in production of electricity power, so also cheap energy for themselves. Solarite India Limited, it is a private limited company and it has its head office in CDA Cuttack, where from they undertake the work. They have few engineers and few people working for them, and they have lots of supplies and stocks in their godown there. And one manager is there whose name is Uday Kumar Reddy. He is so much cooperative that he will help you in each and every moment if you decide to go for a solar system, rooftop solar system in your roof. Thank you very much, and finally I thank Solarite India for neatly undertaking the work and doing it for me. Thank you very much.
ପ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ